Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use ConvertKit for email marketing. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, go to the top menu and click on the Send option. Then, select Broadcast from the drop-down. In the top right corner, click on New Broadcast. You'll see a variety of templates. Choose any one that fits your style. Now, you can edit your email content. You can also change the background color of the page. Feel free to write your message and adjust the font size or font style as needed. In the advanced options, you can customize the email's color or size. Once you've set everything up, click on Continue. Next, click Continue to Share. Then choose Publish to Web. Here you can select a thumbnail for your broadcast. You also have the option to upload an image and write a description for it. When you're ready, click Continue, then select Publish Broadcast, and you're done. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.